Well, that's always fun. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing a couple things here. We're going to be telling some spooky stories. No, we're installing a blower motor, so let's get after it. So this Milwaukee light's been with me for probably like 7 years. Best light hands down in attics, in basements, crawl spaces, if you're going to be there for a while, because it is a heavy son of a bitch to lug around. But I got that as a floor model discounted. It was like $75. Like originally it was like $400, $500, something ridiculous like that, but literally just makes this whole working area great. So we're rocking with a 1988 Carrier. Look how tiny this little thing is, dude. That's 3 feet maybe. Blower motor has failed, so we picked one up here. Gonna take this little guy off. I'm also gonna end up putting a float switch in here because what was happening, this bad boy was freezing. It was flooding out, which is all good. You can see there's some water there, but they, you know, fortunately ran a little drain outside for that. But I'm gonna do that way, if for whatever reason this old son of a gun failed, you know, you can see we got some Yeezy 700s, all that good stuff, so we don't want to ruin things. They was trying to run this son bitch. One there. Get old gal right here out. I just got this little M12. Well, that'll do. So if you ain't got a puller, shout out to Ted. That's where I got that idea from. This little baby wheel. I might have something to cut it. Basically, I'm probably going to end up just trying to get it as low as possible. Let's see. So I don't have a lot of space to work with up there. There we go. Let's go down that way. Got her in. I've never, dude, this whole thing. Well, I gotta go get a new motor. Well, that's a new one for me. As I was pushing the motor in, the shaft sheared off inside of the motor, and now we gotta go get another motor. Never have had that happen. It's kind of disappointing when you buy a product and you think, you know, you put it in without issues and, you know, have guaranteed, you know, like a warranty or some sort of guarantee. Something like Camel City Mill has a 10-year warranty on their socks, which is absurd. So Camel City Mill has a 10-year warranty on socks. That's why Camel City Mill is the best, and that's also why they're today's video sponsor. That's right, I said it. A 10-year guarantee. It's hard to beat, but guess what? America's been around for 250 years on this here 4th. So guess what? Camel City Mill is having their second biggest sale of the year, up to 40% off. Y'all don't want to miss this. American made, American sourced material right here. Guess what? In America, you guessed it. Use my discount code Krauss. Better yet, hit the link down below. You're gonna save more money. Trust me when I tell you guys, you will not be disappointed in Camel City Mill, just like you can't be disappointed in this great nation that we live in. So go ahead, click the link down below. I wanna thank Camel City Mill for supporting this channel and supporting everybody out there in the trades, in the trenches, putting in work. I appreciate y'all. And now, let's go fix my up. All right, let's try this again. We're back. Okay. So if we can get, damn, bro, that's like 3 additional inches. And so basically, what I'm gonna need to do is like, say it's just for shits and giggles, we're going 10. So I can have inch and a half. I don't even know if that's gonna fit, to be honest with you. I really don't know if that's gonna fit. Alright, we finally got it all in there. We'll go up to the top and adjust accordingly in the attic. This has been the lower motor from hail. Just putting our set screw back in. This one requires a 10, so we got a 10. guess what, guys? We're in. We are in. With room to spare. Not much, but some. I believe it's going clockwise. Counterclockwise. I'm just gonna let it be for now. Let's see if anything happens. We got fucking, where's my... Wrong way. Yeah, so I do need to reverse the leads on this, which is easily done just by cutting all my zip ties. This job, I wasn't meant for it today. I wasn't meant to do it today. Yellow to orange. All right, so there's leads. Let's go ahead. So it should be spinning that way. Yeah. Now we can just tidy up all these wires and button this fucking thing up. Holy shit, this has been a shitty start to my Monday. Well, this was a bigger pain in the ass than I anticipated, so I'm going to go ahead and button everything up. It's good to go. I know. And then I'll verify everything outside. SOP, but I already replaced the contactor, capacitor out there. We'll just check the charge to make sure it's good. And that is it. If you guys love when shit goes sideways, but you find ways to get it done either way, smash the like button. Consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Later. Let's try and get like a thumbnail.